If you don't join using my link, you can still get up to 70% discount from Hostinger. But if you use my link, you will get an extra 20% discount, which will be automatically applied on the cart page. You can clearly see it there. So what you need to do is click the link in the description, then click on the claim deal button. After that, you will see different hosting plans. These may vary depending on your country. So choose the plan according to your needs. Once you select your plan, set the duration at the top. I highly recommend choosing for the 8 months because it gives you the maximum discount. Now you will see that you are getting a free domain plus extra 2 months of hosting. To claim your free domain, go to the search box and type your desired domain name. For example, I will search canary.com. As you can see, it's available and completely free for 1 year. I select it. Now if I change the duration to 1 year, you can see the domain becomes 100% free. Also here you can check all the details, free domain, free SSL certificate, free security, and the extra 20% discount applied using my link. After reviewing everything, click on continue. Now create your account, enter your email address, set a strong password, then add your basic details and complete the payment. Once payment is confirmed, you will be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. I hope this video was helpful for you.